Mabuhay ang lahing Pilipino! Today we are doing a mandala project using grids that are inspired by Philippine prints and symbols. Please keep on watching. This is Pinoy Mandala. Philippines is known as the Pearl of the Orient Seas, and that is exactly the inspiration for grid number 1. This is how we incorporate grid 1 in our work. Just like with the other project that I have done in the past, I ensured that before putting the outline or the ink, I have already sketched the entire project. You will see that I use an image of the sun at the center of the mandala. This is based on the design of the sun in the Philippine flag. Now let's move on to grid number 2. Geographically, the Philippines is endowed with beautiful mountains, mountain ranges, and volcanoes. And that is what we are trying to symbolize in these designs. And this is how you incorporate interchangeably the two designs in the second circle of our mandala. This upper part of grid number 3 mimic the beautiful ceiling of the Philippine National Museum for Natural History. It is part of an architectural focal point in the museum called the Tree of Life. While the lower part is inspired by popular tattoo designs of a lot of groups in the Philippines, normally these are done around the wrist or the lower limbs. This is how we incorporate grid 3 in our project. You can draw the whole grid at once or draw each component one by one in each of the leaf of our mandala. Grid 4 is a simple design but are used in a lot of prints and textiles in the Philippines. Grid number 5 is inspired by the ochre art of Maranaos in Lanao in Mindanao. There you go. Here is our output for this mandala project using 5 grids that are inspired by Philippine prints and symbols. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more mandala ideas and inspiration. You can also see my other work in Instagram, Pinoy Mandala. Salamat!